welcome to Sprinkles and Magic with me, Abeer. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Sprinkles and Magic. My name is Abeer. जब थोड़ी सी भूख लगती है तो ये चीज़ जल्दी और आसानी से बन जाती है। ये चीज़ का मतलब ग्रिल्ड चीज़ सैंडविच। तो आज हम ग्रिल्ड चीज़ सैंडविच बनाना सीखेंगे। तो चलें फिर। ग्रिल्ड चीज़ सैंडविच बनाने के लिए हमें ये चीज़ें चाहिए: butter to spread, 2 slices of sandwich bread, sliced cheese, sliced tomatoes, and basil leaves. तैयार हैं? Let's go. First, butter both slices of bread. Now, we put the tomatoes, basil, and cheese on one slice. Alright, put the other slice on top and put it in the sandwich maker and cook. You grill the sandwich in the maker for 2 minutes and then enjoy. Ta-da! And you're all done. We just made some grilled cheese sandwiches, Sprinkles and Magic style. Here's an interesting food fact for you. Here's an interesting food fact for you. The grilled cheese sandwich originated in the 1920s when sliced bread and American cheese became easily available. Try and make some grilled cheese sandwiches and let me know how you did. Enjoy yourself. Until next time, this is Abeer. Bye!
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.